In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace null or missing data with zeros or existing data using a parameter in Tableau. This technique is crucial for anyone looking to clean and organize their data more effectively in Tableau. Let's dive right in and take a look at how to accomplish this task. First, go ahead and open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily download it from Tableau's website. Once it's up and running, access your worksheet. This step is essential as we will be applying changes directly within an existing worksheet. When you're in Tableau, you'll notice a list of sheets on the bottom tab. Select the specific sheet you wish to work on that contains the data with null or missing values. Now, head over to the data pane on the left. Here, click the down arrow beside dimensions. You'll see an option to create parameter. Click on it to open the parameter creation window. Name your new parameter something descriptive. This will help you identify it easily later. For the data type, choose date. It's crucial to set this parameter correctly as it affects the calculations we'll make later. Next, in the parameter window, you'll see an option for allowable values. Choose all. This ensures that your parameter can accommodate any value, providing more flexibility in your calculations. Once your parameter is set up, right-click on it in the data pane and select Show Parameter Control. This will allow you to interact with your parameter directly on the worksheet. The next step involves creating a calculated field. Click on Analysis at the top menu, then select Create Calculated Field. A new window will appear where you can define your calculation. Name this calculated field as well, making it clear and descriptive. In the field, enter the query or formula you intend to use. This formula will dictate how null or missing values are replaced. Open the calculated field again if necessary to review or modify your formula. Once satisfied, click OK. You'll now need to replace the current field in the marks card with your new calculated field. Specifically, replace amount with the desired new value based on your calculation. This step visually updates the worksheet according to the new logic. Finally, ensure that the data view is accurate and remove date from the filter shelf if it's present. This clears any date filter that might inadvertently narrow your data set, allowing your new calculated field to apply comprehensively across your sheet. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently replace any null or missing data within your Tableau worksheet using a parameter. This not only cleans up your data, but can provide better insights and more accurate analyses. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.